Kroeung Sach Ko, also known as stir-fried beef with lemongrass paste, is a flavorful Cambodian dish that combines salty, sweet, pungent, and slightly spicy flavors. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: 500 grams, about 1 lb, beef, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons Cha Kroeung Paste, lemongrass paste, see below for recipe. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 green bell pepper, thinly sliced. 2-3 jalapeños, sliced. Adjust to your preferred level of spiciness. Fresh basil leaves, holy basil, or Thai basil, for garnish. Salt and pepper to taste. Cha Kroeung Paste, lemongrass paste, in a blender or food processor. Combine the following ingredients: 2 stalks of lemongrass, tough outer layers removed and chopped. 4 cloves of garlic. 1 small shallot. 1 thumb-sized piece of galangal or ginger. 1-2 macrot lime leaves. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, optional. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Blend until you get a smooth paste. You may need to add a little water to help with blending. Instructions: heat a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat, and add the vegetable oil. Add the Cha Kroeung paste, and stir often to prevent it from burning and sticking to the wok. Cook until most of the moisture has evaporated and the paste slightly browns. Add the thinly sliced beef and stir until the beef is completely covered in the lemongrass paste. Cook and stir until the beef is almost completely cooked. Add the sliced onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened, but still crisp. Finally, add the sliced jalapeños and stir briefly. Remove from heat. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and serve hot with steamed rice. Enjoy your delicious Cha Kroeung Sach Ko.